Hello students, myself Mohit Pandey welcomes to you on my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain you expression for capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. And the parallel plate capacitor is made up of two plates. Two parallel plates. The plates are separated by the distance d. And the any medium is filled between in these plates. If a plus q charge, if any plus q charge is given to the plates A, and then by the induction negative charge, induced on the inner surface of the plate B, and the positive charge, positive charge induced outer surface of plate B. Understand? As the plate B is earthed, then whole positive charge goes to earth and electrons comes from the earth, and the whole positive charge neutralized with the positive charge. This is the principle of capacitor I have taught in the previous video. So, if we have discussion about the parallel plate capacitor, I have already learned and I have already taught you principle of capacitor. Then, a whole positive charge goes to the earth. There is no positive charge, and negative charge is bound with the positive charge of plate A. Then a force is developed between the plates. The force is electric field, and electric field of lines starts from plate A and ends to the plate B. Understand? Okay. So you have to write the explanation of this diagram and parallel plate capacitor. So write it please. So you can see expression for capacitance. Suppose A and B are two parallel plates of capacitor. The separation between the plate is D and area of each plate is A. A medium of dielectric constant K is filled between the plates. When plus Q charge is given to the plate A, then on near surface of plate B, negative induced charge minus Q of equal magnitude is developed, and on the far end plus Q charge gets induced. As the plate B is earthed, therefore negative charge minus Q of this plate is bound with the charge of plate A. The electric lines of force between the plates except ends of plates starts from the plate A and ends to plate B. Thus, the electric field between the plate is uniform, and hence intensity at every point between the plate is same. Understand? If the surface charge density on plate A is sigma, then that of plate B will be minus sigma. If the surface charge density on plate A be sigma, okay, then definitely the surface charge density on plate B be minus sigma. Understand? Therefore, intensity of electric field between the plates E is equal to sigma by K epsilon naught. This is equation number first, and where epsilon naught is permittivity of free space and K is dielectric constant of medium between the plates that is filled. But net potential between the plates V is equal to, V is given by E into D and E is equal to sigma by K epsilon naught. Equation number first, that V is equal to sigma by K epsilon naught into D. You know V is equal to, and but we know that sigma is equal to Q by A. That means therefore V is equal to QD by K epsilon naught in K epsilon naught into A, because you can see here sigma is equal to Q by A and V is equal to sigma by K. That means in the place of sigma we put Q by A and D by K epsilon naught. Understand? This is equation number second. Now let the capacitance of capacitor, you know, capacitance of this capacitor. If the capacitance, okay, capacitance B C, therefore C is equal to Q by B. Understand? Equation number third. From equation second and third, what C is equal to Q by the value of V, and the value of V is QD upon K epsilon naught into A. Understand? In what values? Take it up. You know, Q by QD into K epsilon naught into A. Q and Q cancels. That means C is equal to K epsilon naught into A by D. Understand? Equation number 4. This is required expression for capacitance. Understand? This is required expression. This is required expression for capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. Understand? Okay. So now dependence factors. It is important facts of any derivation. So dependence factor, first, C is directly proportional to area of plates. You know, capacitance is directly proportional to area of plates. If the area of plate is so more, then the capacitance is so more. And the second is C is directly proportional to K. You know, any material of the medium is filled, then the dielectric constant is directly proportional to the capacitance. And the third is C is inversely proportional to the distance between the plates. If the, you can see here, C is inversely proportional to the distance between the plates. Understand? If the distance is so large, then the capacitance is so low. यदि डिस्टेंस दोनों प्लेट्स के बीच का डिस्टेंस जितना ज्यादा होगा, कैपेसिटेंस उतना कम होगा. सो वी हैव टू पुट these plates in less distance. तो हमें कैपेसिटेंस इंक्रीज करने के लिए इन प्लेट्स को क्या करना चाहिए? कम डिस्टेंस पर रखना चाहिए. Understand? Okay. So thanks for watching my YouTube channel. And please, if you like my video, so comment on comment box. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, you can subscribe my channel to get the notification of my new upcoming videos. Thank you very much.